increase mental endurance. Sir Isaac Newton is a mental giant. He built up mental power and increased his mental endurance through mental calisthenics. You have to follow his footsteps to increase your mental endurance. Newton is the father of classical physics. His greatest gift was his remarkable ability to concentrate for long periods. In short, his mind was conditioned. All kinds of action required mental conditioning. A conditioned body with a strong heart and open lungs reaches that state through aerobic exercises, running, swimming, jogging and cycling. Similarly, a conditioned mind grows fit by regular exertion. You must guide your mind where you want it to go. With practice, your thinking becomes clear. Calculation is a tried and tested way to add backbone to your thinking and to condition your mind. Exercises through numbers, letters, words and verses will flex your calculation muscles. When your calculation muscles become stronger, try the more difficult exercises. These drills are to mental exercises what jogging is to physical exercises. Mental endurance is enhanced only by practice. Regularly practice mental aerobics. No pain, no gain. Let us do some practicals now. Practicals based on number exercises. Exercise 1. Practical 1. Recite the following numbers up by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to 100. Down by 100 to 1. 100, 99, 98, 97, 96 to 1 down. Practical 2. Recite the ascending series up by 2. Before up by 1, no? Now up by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, like that, 100. Up by 3, 3, 6, 9, 12 till 99. Up by 4, 4, 8, 12, 16 till 98. Down by 2, 100, 98, 96, 94 till 2. Down by 2 to 9. Like that you need to exercise your brain. Practical 3. Recite all the numbers from 1 to 100 at numbers divisible by 3. Raise your left hand. Practical 4. Recite all the numbers from 1 to 100 at numbers divisible by 4. Raise your right hand. 5. Recite all the numbers from 1 to 100 at numbers divisible by 3 and 4. Clap your hands. Practical 6. Recite all the numbers from 1 to 100 at numbers divisible by 5. Stamp your foot. Now let us see some exercises with letters. Practical 7. Recite the following letter number pairs. A1, B2, like that, Z26 till. 1A, 2B, like that, Z26, Y25, like that, A1. 26Z, 25Y, like that, till 1A. Practical 8. Recite the letter number combinations for the following sentences by a letter's number for its place in the alphabet. For example, the word abracadabra would read 1, 2, 18, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 2, 18, 1. Communication skills, personality development, soft skills. Next, practical 9. Mentally translate the following letters into meaningful phrases. 12, 9, 22, 5. Next one. 14, 15, 20. Next one. 5, 22, 9, 12. Practical 10. Watch the letter series or read the letter series. The alphabet alternating forwards and backwards. A, Z, B, Y, C, X, etc. etc. you need to do. Next, word exercises. Practical 11. Repeat the sentences backwards, word by word, after reading them once forwards. 1. We hold the power and hear the responsibility. 2. All for one, one for all. Practical 12. Repeat these sentences forwards, word by word, after reading them once backwards. 1. Doing is answer shortest the. 2. Tailor the elegance leave. Truth the describe to out or you if. Practical 13. Spell each of the following words backwards as you read them. Hypersonic, prolongation, retrievable, consternation.